Introducing a new option on the Rollbag R785 Automatic Bagger. Chain pack bagging. The ability to bag products in a long chain of bags, separated by perforated edges. This is very easy to do in the HMI touchscreen of the bagger. As you can see in this example, this recipe was set up for a 4x6 bag size, 10 bags per chain. To create the recipe, go to bag size. Make sure the chain bag setting is on. Enter the number of bags that you want to make. Save the recipe. The Rollbag R785 is a compact, all-electric tabletop bagger that can run up to 40 bags per minute depending on application. Delivering speed without needing compressed air, lightweight and portable. Set it up anywhere with a standard outlet, and offers multiple flexible cycle options for easy operation. Chain pack bagging is ideal for dental, medical, industrial parts, requirements where multiple bags are needed attached in a strip. Chain bagging is an option on the R785. Remember to ask for it when ordering. For more information, visit pacmachinery.com.